Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off dark mode on TikTok web. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! TikTok is one of the leading platforms for short-form mobile video, making it started back in 2012 but was launched officially in 2016. This social network app was founded by ByteDance and it's used to create lip sync videos. It is an extremely creative way to showcase your talent, and the youth is utilizing the app to its fullest desires. So, how? I've shown you in my previous video how to log into your TikTok website using your QR code and also how to use it on the website on your PC or laptop. Now, what if you want to change you want to turn off the dark mode? Because by default, your TikTok will be on the dark mode when you open it on your website. So it's very simple. First of all, you can click on more in here on the three dots over here and you'll find there's an option dark mode. You can just click on that. Here you can choose on light mode. So now you have light mode on your TikTok website. And if you want to use dark mode again, you can just click on dark mode or you can choose on automatic. So when it's on the day, your TikTok website will be on the light mode, and when it's on night, your TikTok website will be on the dark mode. But if you want to always use the light mode, you prefer light mode, you can just choose on light mode. It's very simple, right? Now you have changed all the themes on your TikTok like this. It's very simple, right? So that is how to turn off dark mode on TikTok web. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!